Hi everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching another one of my grocery shopping haul videos. Hello, and welcome back to all my subscribers, passy-bys, looky-loos, visitors, welcome back. Thank you for supporting this channel. As you can see, I do have a small haul, and this haul not only consists of food items but also products that are disinfectants, medicines, and also I want to talk about supplies that can make supplies. In other words, soaps and stuff like that. You can buy stuff to make soaps, bath soap, laundry soap. You can use baking soda for deodorant and toothpaste. All those things you want to look into to stockpile your pantry with. Prepping your pantry with things that will be very helpful when and if evil mankind interrupts our livelihoods. And that with this plague going on is very, yeah, people, buying supplies that can help help you make homemade supplies is very good to invest in. Getting those types of things to help make, like I say, soaps, disinfectants, all kind of stuff. You can get supplies. You just have to do your research to find out what things you can use to make soap, deodorant, toothpaste, all that kind of stuff. Oh yeah, y'all, I don't know about you guys, but I believe in having products that's gonna help keep my ass clean and keep me smelling nice. Okay, so I definitely want supplies in my stockpile that's gonna help me make some soap or anything that gonna keep me with some good hygiene. Okay, and buy products that can be, have more than one use. It's very proficient. So try those things out. You don't have to do what I say. I'm just here making a video, and some people might want to be helped. They will appreciate this kind of video. And also, as you can see, I might have one flashlight up here, but we do have more, and I have been picking, when the stuff is on sale. Like you see the batteries, I get the battery, the D battery for the flashlight. And also it's good to have a radio, and it's also excellent if you can find a solar power generator or something to help charge your stuff, or to create electricity and stuff like that, because we do have a radio in case of emergencies. We could put batteries in there, and if stuff happen like the Walking Dead hopefully that doesn't happen to us. We don't have a situation where it'll be like we living in the Walking Dead era, because with this plague and scientists not being able to control it the way they need to be. But hey, they only know so much. But the plague is out of control, and it's spreading, they say, like chicken pox, and easily for you to catch, and you can die from this plague. So everybody should know in the world, they're not living in a cave, what the heck is going on in our world right now. So as you can see, I have medicines like aspirins, Pepto-Bismol. These are some things I just picked up. Hand sanitizers, alcohol, and I got some of that Vicks Vapor Bath crystals. I got some Advil for multiple cold and flu. Just medicines, things like that you would need in a prepper pantry, just in case shit does hit the fan. We don't know. With the plague and all that kind of stuff going on, we shall find out soon. And I got some Vicks of cough drops, Vapor Cool Severe Menthol Oral Winter Frost Powerful Vicks Vapor Soothe Sore Throats. Got some of that because I do be getting sore throats when I'm trying to catch a cold. I had mentioned that to you guys in several of my videos. I wasn't feeling well. I was on and off sick. Like I said, COVID is in the air. And yes, the masks and stuff in society is for us to feel comfortable to think that we're doing something to help protect ourselves. Maybe it is slowing it down, but the air is coming through the mask. You can still breathe and stuff. So yes, we all inhaling the virus. It's out there. Some of us just have stronger systems than others, because once that stuff affect your lungs, it's hard to come back from that. But yeah. So yeah, I'm just sharing. I got some puffs back there, Kleenex. You see the little girl face, puffs back there, and I did finally receive my I got individually wrapped plastic forks. I did get me some more plates, paper plates, paper bowls. It's just not up here. And I got some Gorilla Glue. I got seasons, canned goods. If you guys are able to pick up canned goods here and there to supply your prepper pantry, that's a good idea. Pick it up here and there. I got some what is that back there? Some dental floss is good to have in case you in some place where you ain't able to brush your teeth. At least you can clean your teeth with dental floss. Also, toothbrushes are good too to have. You can use toothbrushes for several things. Like not only just brushing your teeth, you can also use it for cleaning stuff. And especially, you know, you got a bottle of water, you will need toothbrushes if shit hits the fan and things, you need that for survival. Toothbrushes are good to have as ammunition in your stockpile. Because like I said, you can be very creative with a toothbrush. And also, it's also good to have board games as in your stockpile. There's nothing wrong with having board games in the stockpile. Pass time away. Keep minds busy, healthy. And also disinfectants like the Clorox wipes, alcohol wipes, hand sanitizers, alcohol, and Pepto-Bismol, you know, when you get upset stomach. So it's good to have some kind of medicine for upset stomachs and stuff, indigestion. So you definitely want that in a stockpile, in a prepper stockpile. And I do got some coconut back there because I'm planning on baking some coconut oatmeal raisin cookies, and I am thinking about vacuum sealing some of them. I wonder how long that would keep. If any of y'all know, if you ever vacuum seal freshly baked goods, how long do they last if you vacuum seal them? Okay, if you can answer the question, please do so. Leave your comments in the comment section. I also got me some more of the vegetarian Jiffy corn muffin mix. I got some sweet pickle relish, the jelly. Oh, and don't forget, y'all, you get your aspirins, because aspirins, ibuprofen, all that stuff is good to have in a prepper pantry. Now, I'm not an expert on a prepper pantry. I never said I was, but I can see a lot of the supplies that I do collect and have in my pantry can be of valuable use. So, if any of these things are making your brain click and say, oh, I need to get this, that, and other, I'm happy to help. And anyone that, you know, didn't think of that, I'm glad if I'm giving you tips or ideas that you could use in your pantry or to start a pantry with. Yeah, but the Gorilla Glue, that's good to have glue, because you never know when something coming loose and you need something glued. That's spray glue right there. And don't forget, collect canned goods. And seasonings is a good idea too. So I would just want to say thank y'all for watching my videos and stuff like that. And like I said, I am not an expert prepper. I just know some of the things that need to be used in a prepper pantry in case shit hit the fan. Yeah, guys, I am still collecting food and everything, because you know, yes, there are food shortages out there, and inflation on food, and limits on how much food you can buy. So like I said, you guys just need to just start picking up here and there, sell stuff or bunk stuff if you can afford it. If you can't afford these prices today, God bless you. If you can't, just do it the way, like on sales. The Dollar Tree, I seen videos where at the Dollar Tree they running out of supplies and stuff like that. In all kind of stores, they running out of stuff. So I know one day, I don't know how soon I'm going out, because I don't like the virus, y'all. But I will try and whatever little information I got to share, I will share with you guys. But just remember, there are food shortages out there. There is inflation. Food prices have gone up, and certain things are hard to get these days, because I'm still trying to get a product that I can't get still. I'm looking for, oh my God, it's irritating the crap out of me, and I want that so bad. But yeah, so y'all keep on looking for items. If you could get them, grab them, because it might not be available for a long time. And so all y'all prepping are starting a pantry, prepper pantry, leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know. Passy bys, looky loos, visitors, also leave your comment. Join the channel if you like. Okay, I'm just gonna end this, and thank y'all for watching. I hope I helped someone today with some of the things that I shared with you all. All right, bye. Have a great day. Stay safe out there. One last thing too, guys. I forgot to mention the rent moratorium thing is supposed to be ending. And I hope that the people that are forced out of their homes and stuff, God bless y'all. Hope y'all stay safe, and that God comfort y'all and keep y'all safe if you guys have to go through such a difficult time. Okay? All right, y'all. Bye. I hope this grocery haul was a pleasure to watch, and I hope it helped you guys remember something that you might have forgot to get from the store. Once again, thanks for watching.